The internet has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. And I'm not talking about a small profit here. There are thousands upon thousands of people currently earning incomes through online marketing. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online without even leaving your home? But just because the path to success is out there doesn't mean it'll be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. Did you know that membership sites are an incredible way to generate a nice and stable recurring income? Creating a membership site is not difficult, and due to the evolution of the internet, finding content to provide is a lot easier than you may think. Just imagine, even if you just had 100 members paying you $10 a month, that's $1,000 right there each and every month. But don't stop there. What if you had 500 members, each paying you $10 a month? Now we're talking about a full-time income. Using membership sites to build a recurring income is not difficult if you know the right way to do it. Did you know that it is actually possible to have your own digital products that you can sell online without the hassles of owning an actual brick-and-mortar space or filling your garage with boxes of inventory? Think about it. Creating a digital product only has to be done once, and this product can then be sold thousands and thousands of times. Thanks to the internet, it is easy to access a virtually unlimited source of targeted buyers. And creating a digital product is a lot easier than you probably realize. In fact, there are ways to do this in minutes. And of course, you can do all of this without even leaving your home through the amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now think about that for a minute. Being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Just bring in a sale and collect your commission. You can learn more about our services right on this page. Are you tired of e-commerce software that doesn't work as well as you'd like? Whether you already have your own online store or are looking to get started, we can help. We specialize in making e-commerce as simple as possible. Wouldn't it be nice to sell and manage your inventory without having to deal with all of the hassles?